Hi and welcome to another tutorial in Python for Beginners series. In case you haven't watched the last tutorial, please watch it and then continue watching. Alright, now let's jump in and get started. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk to you guys about comparison operators in Python. We use comparison operators in situations where we want to compare a variable with a value. For example, imagine you go to a fruit shop. Now, if the price of an apple is less than $2, you will buy an apple. Else, you will buy an orange. So, to build these rules in our program, we need to use comparison operators. Back to app.py, here let's define a variable called price and set it to 5. In the next line, if price is less than 2, we want to print buy an apple. Else, just print buy an orange. When we run this program, we are going to see the second message because 5 is greater than 2. Let's verify that. So run this program. Buy an orange. Now if we change the price to 1 and run it again, we will see buy an apple. So this is where we use comparison operators. So this is a greater than operator. We also have greater than or equal to. We also have less than. And we also have less than or equal to. Here is the equality operator. If the price is equal to 2, we can buy an apple. Note that it is different from the assignment operator which has only one equal sign. If you use one equal sign, we can see that we get the red underline. And finally, we have not equal to operator, which is an exclamation mark followed by an equal sign. So here's an exercise for you. Accept any year from the user and print whether it is a leap year or not. So a leap year is a year with one extra day and it comes after every 4 years. So spend a few minutes on this exercise. You will see my solution next. So here I have a text file with the condition. If a year is divisible by 400, it's a leap year. The second condition is if a year is divisible by 100, it is not a leap year. So all the centurial years except for those divisible by 400 are not leap years. And the third condition is if a year is divisible by 4, it is a leap year. So we can define a variable here called y for accepting the input from the user. Y equals input. And here let's type enter a year. But we need an integer as input. So we will convert the result into an integer. So int of input, enter a year. In the next line, let's add an if statement. If y mod 4 equals 0 and y mod 100 is not equal to 0, we want to print y is a leap year. So press enter and print y comma and inside the quotations is a leap year. In the next line, we want to check for not a leap year. So we add an elif statement, elif y modulus of 100 equals 0, print y and inside the quotations type is not a leap year. In the next condition, we want to check if y is a leap year. So add an elif statement, elif y modulus of 400 equals 0 and we want to print y is a leap year. In the next line, let's add an else statement and simply print y inside the quotations is not a leap year. So let's run the program. Enter a year. So let's enter 2020. So we get 2020 is a leap year. Now let's run the program again. Enter a year. So let's enter 1600. So we get it's not a leap year. So let's run this program one last time. Enter a year. So let's enter 2021. So we get is not a leap year. So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this beginner series. And also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.